frame my ID.
Habang pumakas.
I don't know why, pero bakit ganito yung national name? I don't know. Kamali yata ako ng cut. Shit, nakat ko yata no. Okay. Cut here. Say cut here. Cut here. Tama pa ba itong ginagawa kong pagkakat? Kakatapos ko lang maligo. And anyways, this is what I use every night before I go to bed. Basag. Okay, so it's almost 9:50 and mga ilang minutes na magte-10 o'clock na. Kakatapos ko lang manood ng Euphoria. And I don't wanna spoil it. So, bahala na kayo. Pero, itong episode na to, hindi ko alam kung maawa ako kay Nate or ewan ko ba. Hindi ko alam talaga kung maawa ako sa kanya. Pero, I mean, nakakaawa naman siya kasi ang hirap yung situation niya. Kasi, ang dami niyang utang. And, I think, for me, in my own theory, ginagamit niya lang si Cassie para bayaran yung utang niya sa syndicate. And, to be honest, deserve niya mabug. That one, no, that guy right there, that guy. Hey, hey!